I'm Helen Jacobson, senior at Bellevue West. I have an internship at the Rose, and I work in every part of working at a children's theater. I've dabbled in teaching the classes, I've done performances, I've done improv shows, I've directed performances. I'm going to be working the lights and sound booth later on for one of the children's shows. So that's a big thing that I do. I've been in Poetry Slam pretty much all 4 years of high school. I like to think that I'm not terrible at it. I'm in a gross amount of AP classes, which contributes to why I drink coffee like every day, I suppose. I'm very undecided on what I want to go do in college, but I'm most likely going to be going up into the Northeast, either in Massachusetts, New York, or Vermont, because all the colleges I applied to are over there. I have 2 cats.